Hi, in this video we will see how to install Selenium on our Windows operating system computer. So basically we can install Selenium by using one single line of command. The command it starts with pip and the full command is pip install Selenium. We'll check that. Then first let me tell you what is pip and why it is required. Basically we will use pip to install Selenium. Okay, so using pip we will install all the Selenium related stuff. Now we will check what is pip. Pip is basically a package manager or a package installer of Python. So I'm writing everything here, and I will put all the notes under the video description so that in future if you need it you can easily check either video or also you can check through the notes. Okay, so clear, right? Pip is the package installer of Python, and using pip we will install Selenium, and the full command to install Selenium it is pip. Then we have to mention what we want to do, then install, we want to install, then a space, and what we want to install Selenium. So this is the whole line of command to install Selenium. Pip install Selenium. Now let's check from the pip installer website what is the real command. I wrote this thing, but again I'm showing you if you need later how you will check. So I am going to Google and search by the term Selenium Python install, and there is a link pypy.org. We have to go this site to search any Python related package. If we search there we can go find the Python package and then we can install. So here we search on the Selenium, that's why we came to this page, the Selenium 3.141 this. So using this website we can easily install Python, and there is a command pip install Selenium. So this is the actual command to install Selenium package to our Python installation. Okay, so we can copy this link manually, or if we hit this copy button we can also copy. So once we copied this file we need to execute this through our command prompt of our computer. So once I copied here I have to open the command prompt from my start menu, then typing cmd, and this is the command prompt. I will paste the whole line of command pip install Selenium. If you don't copy then just type it manually. I just copied, that's why I paste it fast. And once you complete this command then you have to hit the enter key of your keyboard to start the installation of Selenium. It will be very fast, but it depends on the internet speed because it will download all the packages from the internet. But for my experience it's super fast. It takes like couple of minutes or seconds, like 30 seconds to like 2 minutes. So I see it is installed successfully, and it is showing everything, all the messages, and it is also mentioning the successfully installed Selenium and the version number. The version number is 3.141.0 and other things. So in this way, with one single line of command you can easily install Selenium on your Windows computer system. Now let's check whether the Selenium is really installed or not. To check that we can write on command. uh, the command is pip show Selenium to check the Selenium is installed properly or not, or we can also go to the particular folder and also we can check whether Selenium installed or not. So let's check that by typing the command pip then show, that means show us the details and what we want to see Selenium. So we have to type the command Selenium. So pip show Selenium. Once we wrote this line then we have to hit return key, and so it will show us all the details of Selenium which it installed. Here it is also mentioning the path, then the name like Selenium and what is the version it is also mentioning here, and also what is the location of the Selenium it is installed. And there are many other things like description, this thing. The important thing is two lines, one is the version and the install path location. Here we see the install path location is C, then users, then user's name. For my case, I mean my computer, the username is me. So basically it is showing me. For your computer it will be your computer name. Let me show you. So I click start menu and I see my computer login username is me. That's why it is pointing to me over there here. Okay, and for your computer it will be your computer name. Then under that, programs, then Python, then Python version. So the version is varies. That's why you might get different version. And after that, live, and then site packages. This is the actual path of the Selenium installation. Let me open my computer to that location whether Selenium is there or not. So I am going to my computer, and then I'm accessing the C drive. So here is the C drive. Under C drive, we have to access users folder. So here is the users folder. Under users, my computer name is me, which I showed you earlier. Again, I'm showing start menu. This is me. For your case, it will be your user name of your computer. Then we have to access there. Under there, we have to type app data. We have to type backslash, then app data. We have to type it manually because by default this folder is hidden. And then inside this app data folder, we there is a folder. It is called local. We have to access in the local folder. So I'm going to double click on top of the local folder to access the local folder. So under local, then we have to search the programs, programs, and inside that there is Python, and under Python there is the install version. So I installed this version, so I am accessing this version. For your case, you will go to that particular location, and under here there is live and lives. But which folder do you need to go? Let me check from the command prompt. So we see there is live folder, so I'm going to live folder, and under live there is site packages. So I'm going to the site packages here, and here we see Selenium details are there. Selenium related all the stuffs are installed successfully. So in this way we actually verified from this location whether Selenium is properly installed or not. And there is another way which we saw earlier, the command prompt. By using that command, like pip show Selenium, it will show us the Selenium install location and details. So in this way we can install Selenium, and also we can verify. And I'm writing everything here in the notepad, and then I will put it in the description of this video, so that it might be helpful for you later. Basically, sometimes you need notes. Okay, so basically I'm writing these notes here, and once I finish writing this note, I will add to the description. So here I wrote about pip, and then the installation command I wrote pip install. Then let's check the verify command. So I'm copying the verifying command, and I'm copying, and then I'm pasting here the verify command, pip show, then Selenium, this one. Then after that, we need I will mention the path location of Selenium, where we installed. I mean, after running the command pip install Selenium, it will install some particular location of my computer. So I'm copying this line from here. It will be the same line if I go to the folder location, something like that. Okay, so here there will be on change. Here it will be the user logging name of your computer. I'm typing user login username, something like that. Okay, and there is another chance. So here is the Python version, so this will be different. So I'm typing version, and this is the actual path location where Selenium will be installed. So hopefully you have the idea, and hopefully you will be able to install Selenium by following this tutorial. And you can also verify by using that command, or going to the particular location. And in the next video, I will describe briefly what is pip, and what is the importance of pip, more details. So hopefully it will be helpful for you to understand about pip. And thank you for watching the video. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and share the video with others. Thank you for watching.